Hi friends, it's Tanya with Free Range Cottage, and today I'm going to show you a before and after of our half bathroom that is off of our hallway that's by our bedroom and our kitchen. And this is just a super tiny room, but I wanted it to be cute and updated and on a budget, so I'm going to show you what we did. It always gets worse before it gets better with these DIYs, and Rob had to do some plumbing. We were getting ready to put in a different sink, and so he had to go into the wall and do all kinds of fun stuff. Then we took off the penny tile that we had put on there years ago. We had kind of given it just a little spruce up years ago, and then I started looking at ideas for cabinets that I wanted, and we ended up we love our IKEA cabinets so much in our primary bathroom that we ended up getting a different version for this bathroom. It was just affordable. Before we get to the reveal, I just want to share with you that I've created a course for over 50 YouTube beginners. If you've wanted to start your channel and share your passion or your ideas or your life experience, but would love a step-by-step guide, then I've created this course that will be going live soon. So click the link to get on the waiting list. And the finished room. Look at as much detail in as I can. Like I said, it's a tiny, tiny bathroom, but it is used a lot. All of our guests and our family uses it quite a bit. So I'm happy that we have it. I put a little basket down here with extra TP. The drawers on this cabinet, you can see if you're considering an IKEA cabinet, they have one in the, I believe it comes in gray and in navy blue, and we decided that for our bathroom upstairs that still needs a makeover, we're going to get the navy blue. And that's how much we like these cabinets. They're just really affordable and they hold up really well. And I really like the drawer space. I decided to use some green in here as an accent, little Turkish towel, and this green glass hand soap dispenser. It's a foam dispenser, and I really like that. And it can close up so I can use it for, this is right by our laundry room, so I can use it to soak things. I don't have a sink in my laundry room, so I'm kind of glad that one's really big. And it comes with these black knobs, which I decided to keep just because of the tile. And then it comes with the brass. I believe the navy blue one has chrome, which is, or nickel. I'm not sure if it's chrome or nickel, but that's what I wanted in our upstairs. So I ended up with this Audubon print as the artwork over the toilet here. And this little cover, you may have seen that before. And I love this little rechargeable lamp here. See if I can turn the light off. You can see it just gives kind of this really neat little ambiance. I thought that would be nice to have on if we have guests over in the evening or something. It makes it really easy just to come in and use this restroom. Oh, and also another thing that was, whoops, turned on the fan. Another thing that was a detail here was this outlet. When you have the light off, it makes like a little night light. So that's really nice to have. I don't have to be searching for a night light for this room. And it's just always on if the light's off. So that is our entire makeover. You would think it would have been quick, but it took some time and it took a lot of work, but I think it was worth it in the end because I think all of these finishes are pretty classic and I won't need to replace them for a really long time. So thanks for coming along. I love it when you stop by, and I will see you next time here at Free Range Cottage.